Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are here once again for a break of the latest Marvel HeroClix set, Strange Tales. Virtual clap.
Congrats! Woohoo!
Woohoo! Okay,
Galing. Time
so
ko pala.
it's 9:45 here in the Philippines. So we're doing
Woohoo!
a
Woohoo!
silent break as much as possible. Okay?
Hindi na
And
makakapasok si Joel.
it's
Sorry.
okay, it's okay.
In,
Everything
in
is
English,
recorded
in English,
anyway.
he cannot insert it anymore. Hindi siya
Okay,
makapasok. Sorry.
cannot penetrate.
Yeah, I cannot go.
Okay,
He cannot go in.
okay. Our participants for our last final break for Strange Tales are the following: Casper, Heinz Tomato Ketchup, Larry, Angel Ward, Chito, Angel Ward, and Conrad, the first and last of Conrad for Strange Tales. Okay,
Pinilit mo lang ako. Pinilit
yeah,
mo ako.
pinilit, okay, as a way of support. Now it's
You
okay
forced me. Sino number 11?
because
Who's number
number
11?
11 is Angel Ward. Okay,
Ha? 4 entries? Huh? Nice.
because after this there will be a lull because the Venom set will be released I think April. So medyo matagal ang
Hmm.
antayin natin for the break.
Yan. Magbukas muna tayo ng Kaab. May alam ako
Oo,
mura lang.
oo. Tingnan natin. So meron pa tayo isang X-Men, nalingirit din sa X-Men.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, yes, dito
See?
si
Oy,
KL.
cool.
KL is here. Hello, KL.
Hmm.
こんばんは、皆さん。
Hmm.
Okay.
Bakang
So,
banwa, Luminas.
as always, we'll randomize the list and slots 1 to 6 will be the back of the brick, left to right. Front of the brick is 7 to 12, left to right as well. And at the end of the unboxing, we are going to raffle off our alternate card. So, we have our bounties for tonight, nominated by Larry, Doctor Strange. We have a Legacy Lot. Okay. Only Saturn Girl has a figure. Okay, so good luck hunting the other figures. The
Papatik.
second bounty is Blade. Okay. Nominated by Angel Ward. Ang tagal na
Mhm.
nito, so kunin nyo na itong Blade na to tonight, hopefully. And nominated by Conrad is Hulk as the bounty C. This is the Brute. Okay, mga brutes ang ano. Oh, Chito is here. Hello, Chito. Good evening. Where
Aba,
are
bihira yan.
No.
Anak ng
Mabihir?
kamote.
Minsan lang si Chito. Ay,
Oo,
andito
bihira
na
yan,
si
bihira yan. Ay,
Chito.
pre, na-miss ka namin, pre.
Okay, so
Sabi
by the way,
nagsabi, love you daw.
thank you very much for those who participated and joined in last Saturday's fifth
Joel?
anniversary fifth anniversary of Games of Pinoy HeroClix. So go ahead with the agenda tonight. Let's randomize the list by how many? Nine. Ay, mataas tayo ngayon. Nine.
Uy, yan, marami yan. 999.
Okay, 999.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is the list. Angel Ward, Larry, Angel Ward, Larry. Pattern na. Ketchup, Conrad,
Uy,
Heinz, Jasper, Chito, Tomato. Okay, so
parang maganda na hindi.
I'll put it in the PowerPoint. Let me share it once
Sige, put
again.
it in.
Put it in, put it in, put it in.
In. Gali.
Parang ano
Si
na.
Joel ba talaga to? Narito?
Joel A eh.
Seryoso.
Ay, hello, Joel A.
Joel A. Joel A,
Okay,
buhay ka pa ba?
so remember
If you're alive,
your list.
pare,
Okay,
kumusta na, pre?
so we are jumping into it.
Hmm.
Don't worry, I have the list naman with me. And let's stop the share
Hmm.
and highlight the other camera. Remove na ako. Remove spotlight. There we go. So we're going to
Baka
Let's
pwedeng
remove.
buksan mo na yung akin agad para,
Tulog na ako. Tulog ka na agad. Alternate card
Ah,
ka. Legacy card.
kumbaga,
Alternate card. Legacy card.
para, para wag na umasa, di ba?
Okay. Ano ba? There's
Di
always
ba?
a chance. Di ba? One pack magic. I remember. Sino ba ang sino ba ang mga naka one pack magic sa atin?
Si
Pete,
Pete
I
yun eh.
remember.
Si Pete
Ano
hindi
naman?
naman humanistic yung, hindi naman human yung bunot nun eh. Talaga may sa demonyo yun.
Okay.
Ako.
Number 1 and number 2 is Angel Ward. So let's
Okay.
go
Oy,
one.
Angel.
Okay. I think last time
Angel.
Angel Ward got the Chase Spider Man Supreme. It was
Hmm.
early. Early yung last time eh. Maaga na
Hmm.
bunot. Good luck to everyone. I hope we get a good break.
Paano naman?
Oh, bubble wrap.
Nako, yan. Yan pala, maganda na yata.
Okay.
Ano,
Dormammu
ano
Rare.
yung Phoenix? Ay, hindi Phoenix.
Dormammu. Let's see kung ano yung
Phoenix.
mukhang Possessor.
Uy, Possessor X? Possessor X?
Nightmare. Okay.
Ay,
Nightmare, Possessor. And
X.
pinako kung merong one-shots.
Yeah, huwag na.
There.
Ayun,
Shield of
galing.
Seraphim. By the way, I'm putting a set of cards for Angel Ward. Okay, these are the
Yan. Oh. Mga calling cards ng mga HeroClix players.
mga patrons.
Yeah.
This is
Kailangan niya yun, nakabunot siya eh.
A1. Kasi hindi mo daw binigay ang copy niya eh.
Meron ba? Isa lang yung binigay mo sa akin, ano?
Ay, isa lang ba?
Isa lang.
Okay. Ayun na yun sa kanya. Binibigay ko na ngayon.
Yeah, kita mo.
Number 2. Hindi ko maalala. Number 2 is...
yung card ni Sandy. Umiiyak pa rin.
Uy, nakita niya yung card niya.
So kaulyaninan lang talaga.
Oo, kaulyanin. Number 2 is Angel Ward pa rin.
Grabe si Sandy. Pinagbintangan ka.
Let's see.
Kanina yan?
Hindi ko marinig at hindi ko alam gagawin sa audio ko, sabi ni Joel. Ano na lang, bro? Sa recording na lang. Mapapanood mo naman. Okay. Angel Ward pa rin to. Angel Ward.
At nandiyan pa na si Joel. Diba?
Scarlet Witch. Player.
Ganda.
Mindless One. Vampire.
Uy.
Pusa at Doctor Strange.
Pusa.
Okay,
Mali mo, one shot. One shot
images
na.
of Icon. Okay, this is the meta one.
Meta. Ano, meta glay o meta?
Hindi, meta yan for mystical.
Para naman naglalaro si Angel. Bagay, magaling maglaro yan.
Larry, you're next. Larry has 2 slots for Icon, sabi ni Suicide, ni KL. Larry, good luck. This is booster number 1 of Larry out of 2.
Uy.
Shield Agent, Shield Spy. Dormammu, Astral. Astral Clea. Astral Agatha.
Ayan, no?
It's Morbin time.
Ooh.
And
sino yan?
Jericho Drum.
Nightmare na naman?
Yeah, Jericho Drum.
Jericho.
Brother
No,
Voodoo.
may one.
Okay, walang one shot. Sorry, baliktad. At pala wala akong reaction. Wala pala akong reaction. Brother.
Larry 1.
L1. Okay, next is Angel Ward. Parang naghati si Larry tsaka si Angel Ward sa sa likod Angel Ward.
Palagay mo sa likod yung chase o sa harap?
Ko alam wala nang pattern ngayon
parang
Angel Ward.
Ito na.
Rare. Bloodstorm.
Ay, sino?
Bloodstorm.
Bloodstorm.
Wong Kalbo. Astral Scarlet.
Ayun, Nightmare.
Mordo. And Mindless One.
Mordo pala yun. Alam ko, Nightmare kakulay.
Wala pang SR wala pa tayong hits
At least dalawa na one shot.
Dalawa ng 2 shots na yun.
Na two shot. Si Joel narito talaga. Hindi espiritu niya lang yan.
Kaso hindi niya alam daw yung audio. Naka-on yung mic ni Joel eh. Baka hindi gumagana. A3.
Kung pakinggan natin baka may humahaliking sa likod.
A4 is Angel Ward, number 5. This is the last
Oy.
for Angel for tonight.
Last na si Angel? Kala ba apat entry mo?
1, 2, 4, and 5. Let's see.
Ayan yan.
It is the Scott Porter side.
Late.
Paranormal Investigator.
Paranormal. Uy.
The
The
Darkhold Redeemer.
Rude.
Sino yan?
Ito.
Ba't
And
baliktad?
Wand Agent.
Ayun Loki.
Umar.
Umar.
Kala ko Loki.
Agatha Rare. Ano
Oh.
ba? Alat ng likod. Walang Walang lumalabas
Sino
sa
yung-
likod.
Sino yung dulo?
Si Larry, ang number 6.
Si Larry kinakabahan na.
Bolts of Baltak.
Balatak?
Baltak, maalat ang likod natin ngayon. Wala ni isa. Ano ba?
Walang SR?
Walang SR. Ano ba?
Parang yung first
A-
round natin nung seal, di ba? Lahat rare.
A5. Oo nga eh. Alat din ang shield natin eh. Di, naka-SR ako nun ha. A4.
Hindi ba siningit
Pero-
mo lang yun?
Hindi, Marble Girl. Pero alat din yun, maalat din.
Nagsisigit ka lang.
Number 6 is Larry.
Uy, ako.
Uy, pwede
Mabigat.
Parang mabigat
Chase.
Mamaya mo buksan.
There we have to do it in order. Larry, this is your last booster for tonight.
Mento na yata.
Nee, Ghost Rider
Ghost
Rare.
Rider.
Yan yun, rare.
Ay, kaya mabigat.
Ayun.
Mindless one.
Wala nga
Ah.
sa harap, sa likod.
Rude.
Sino to?
No?
Tailius. Scarlet.
Astral. Mordo.
Astral Scarlet
Tapos
and Mordo.
one shot.
And that's all.
Walang Pero naulan ng one shot. Crimson Bands of Sitorak.
Umuulan.
Umulan ng one shots.
Sa bagay,
one shots.
tagulan na.
Tsaka Patron.
Hmm.
Walang SR sa likod, guys. Uy,
Muntik ko na
swerte yung mga
sabihin
nasa
naman.
harap.
Sana, lahat yan prime at chase.
Umulan ng
And
cheese,
that's
no?
could be it.
Napaka-error ng boost ng brick, no? Umulan ng
Parang God pack yung hat.
That pack yung harap. Okay,
Hmm.
number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, rundown. Kasi walang hindi lumabas eh. Tingnan natin ang mga pinagpala, pinagpapalain. Ketchup,
Naku, nandun.
Conrad, Heinz, Jasper, Chito,
Kaya naman pala.
Tomato.
Si Heinz pala nasa
Si
7 to 12.
It's pala yung nasa likod.
Nadamay kami sa swerte ni Heinz. O, depende yan.
Depende yan. One-shot magic tayo. Mag-one-shot
Hmm.
magic tayo.
Maganda.
Okay. Ketchup.
Yeah.
Number 7 is ketchup.
At the very
Si
least,
Heinz.
silent.
Si Conrad napagitnaan ni ketchup tsaka Heinz. Yan
Nako,
natin.
sakit no.
Ketchup,
Ayun, Uy,
Doctor Strange,
ito
Vampire,
Ayun
Enchantress.
Enchantress,
Ito na. Ayun.
Wong
Ayun, sa
Kang
dulo.
Ho,
And Prime.
Prime Hulk,
Oh, di ba?
Real
Oh.
Prime Hulk. Okay, Heinz, you got the black and white Hulk.
Di ba sabi ko rare Hulk? Wala
There.
lang prime.
Oo, wala. Prime eh. Hindi pwede pa sa bounty. Grabe ka
Silent
talaga. Grabe ka, Heinz, ha? Dark
Grande.
Hulk. Prime.
Sabi ko minimum SR yan.
Ako, sinundan pa ni Conrad.
Ako din delikado.
Naipit. Baka maipit ka, Conrad.
Pag
This
naipit yan, may pag-asa pa ako nandiyan pa si Chito eh.
Ketchup.
Yung best friend ko nandiyan pa.
Okay.
Sabi ko na-
Conrad, this is you. First and last. Tingnan natin. Uy, Parang
Huwag mo
wala-
nang buksan. Padala mo na lang
Parang-
sa...
parang walang laman,
Galing. Sana prime lang or chase.
Oo naman.
Parang SR pala.
SR.
SR.
Oh,
Baron
diba?
Mordo.
Baron.
Pwede na, SR.
Oh, at least
Fury.
SR, di ba?
LMD.
Nick Fury, LMD.
Hmm.
Phantom Good
Damdam.
Guy.
Vampire and
And Strange.
Strange.
Tignan mo, baka may 2-shot.
Baka may one shot.
Parang at this point, wala na eh.
Parang,
Oh,
parang
baka
naubos
mo-
na yung one shots eh. Ano
Di ba, pag-asa pa ako, nandiyan pa si Chito. Chito, my
This
friend,
is Conrad.
si, si
Con.
Ponce. Yan. Kasi wala namang 1 and 2
Kaya
eh.
ka naman eh.
Hindi,
Heinz. This is
teaching.
Heinz.
Ayun na, yun yung Chase.
Heinz, booster number 2 of 3.
Chase.
Let's
Jazz,
see.
ikaw ba
Wala pang
nabunod
Chase.
na? Nabunod.
Di pa. Number 10 ako.
Ay, ang ganda
Heinz.
nun. Ayun na yan, yun na yan. Oh,
Astral
diba?
Mordo.
Doon
Nightmare.
pa lang.
Nightmare.
Parang Matrix yung Nightmare. Oh. Matrix.
Ano ba yan? Common?
Astral.
Rare.
Agatha.
Astral. Agatha. Cat. And Astra. Puro Astral ah. Astral Dormammu.
Astral
Okay.
Tank.
Si Nightmare is doing the Neo Matrix pose. Yeah.
One shot.
Winds of Watum. Ang daming one shot sa break na to. Nightmare Rare for Heinz. Okay. Oh, Jasper na sunod. Oh, Jasper na. Oh. May pag-asa ako. I have a chance. This is Heinz. H1. Ketchup. Somebody just got in. Awad na wala. Okay, next is Jasper. Hoy. May pag-asa tayo.
Mm.
I'm
Wait,
excited.
Open. Then.
Oh,
Okay na yun.
ay, ano? Dracula.
Dracula.
SR. Blade
Mayroon pang bang?
Nick Fury. And Clea.
and Leia.
Oh.
What's this one? It's
Ako ay.
Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Hoy, Chito. May pag-asa si Chito.
Ay, kaibigan ko yan. Matagal na.
Ay,
Dear Chito.
Dracula.
No.
Dracula.
Ganda
Dracula.
ng-
What is a man?
Chito. My friend.
Chito, number 11. Number 11, Chito. Chito. Parang ano
Chito,
ah. Parang ito na.
Tanda.
Ito na.
Tanda mo ng
Ito na
panahon
ata.
ng hapon.
Chito, ito na ata.
Yan.
Ito na, Chito.
Chito,
Ilang
kailangan
SR
kita
na
ba?
lumabas? Ilang SR na lumabas? Dalawa?
Two.
Two SR.
Three.
So, this should be at least an SR if not a chase.
Yeah, two.
Chase yan.
Enchantress.
Diba?
Shield.
Hannibal?
Tournament Protector.
Ayun o.
And-
Chase.
Ah,
oh.
SR! SR, Sneak Fury!
Nick
Ito,
Fury.
number 12 si Heinz. Si Heinz talaga.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
And a Jericho drum. Wala.
Sino
Oh
yan?
my God.
Nick Fury?
No.
Nick Fury. SR.
Ah.
Nick Fury to. Ay,
Fury.
yung chip na Nick Fury. Sayang, alam mo, nag-root ako kay Chito.
Jetpack. Okay. And we have the last one. This should be a
Pag hindi
chase.
pa chase, ewan ko na.
Pag di pa chase to, ewan ko na talaga.
Papuputol ni
Sino ba yan?
Jasper.
Teka lang, nasira yung pentel pen natin, guys. Wala.
Sino yung last?
Si Heinz.
Yan na.
This
Diba?
is...
Si Pete ba yan? Pete?
Ito.
Is it you?
And then
And
Heinz. Congratulations in advance, Heinz. This should be a chase.
Oo. Sana Wolverine.
Pag hindi, sana Wolverine. Uy.
Oo, yung vampire.
Uy, vampire. Heinz, go.
Ang ganda.
Tomato. This for tomato.
Uy, bubble wrap.
Wrap.
You know?
Uy.
May wait
Teka.
Push tour.
Funnel.
ba yan?
Ay,
Push
wait. Teka
Hello?
lang.
Ay,
You
si
know,
ano? Iron
Tony
Man.
Stark nga. Oh,
Doctor
wow.
Strange, Bounty,
Galing.
Ebony, and
Oh, di ba sabi ko sa
Hannibal
Conrad
King.
kanina? Yun yung
Predict ni
ano
Pete
ko.
yan. Oo, predict ni Pete yan. Pang number 12, sabi niya. Galing mo, Pete. May sa demonyo ka talaga.
12, sabi ko lang Tony Stark. 12.
You are the devil incarnate. Pare.
Tony Stark, Sorcerer Supreme,
Oh, ayan.
and Doctor Strange. Okay. Congratulations, Science. Especially this one. This is a good
Congrats.
Neutron. Grabe ito. Behind talaga eh, no?
Pero naka-baron stacker ako. Dito yata yung swerte ko eh.
Ano ba ito? Pentel pen natin, guys.
Yan, pen mo lang eh.
Tomato.
Ay, nice, nice.
No,
Yeah,
no,
tatanungin ko
don't
kayo.
defend that.
Tatanungin-
Don't. Too late.
And then we have to raffle up our legacy,
Yung prime ba
legacy card.
lumabas?
May isa,
Ano?
Hulk Prime.
yung puti.
Roll again. 3. So this should be 12. 1, 2, and the legacy card goes to Conrad. Oy,
Anak ng
Conrad.
kamot. Bira yan.
Yay,
Pete,
Conrad.
predict mo, Pete. Ano yan?
Ayoko.
Pag durma mo yan,
Tingnan mo.
rocks ang kapalit yan, rocks.
Oh,
Ancient one ba?
ako nakatayo eh. Nakatayo, Cons.
Ay,
Ancient one.
wag naman ancient one.
1, 2.
Dormammu.
Ay,
Nakaupo pala, nakaupo.
Hydra.
Nakaupo, hindi
Imperial
nakatayo.
Oy, parang
Imperial.
kailangan ni Sandy yan ah.
Imperial Hydra.
Sandy,
Okay.
dudugo ka talaga. You
Ay.
will do it. Kung
Ay,
kailangan.
nako. Okay.
Pag
So-
ako na magdorma.
As I said, thank you very much everyone who participated. This will most likely be our last final brick break for Strange Tales. We're gonna wait for Venom set. I don't know if we will order some more. We might need to get some more iconics muna tayo before we... Kasi April pa eh. So let's see. But again, thank you very much. I'll stop the recording so we can talk freely.